own. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong. Because I realize I've got to be myself, and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself, and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. I know that I will never disappoint myself. I'm crying. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. You heard me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. I be myself, and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself, and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend.
Tell me how it's had to sing her. It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girl I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go.
Hey guys, Dumelang, amaning lekai. How are you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here or if it's your first time here, my name is Mashiro and I am positively living with HIV, and I document my life as a young mom living with HIV. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your continuous support. I really do appreciate it. And if you're watching this for the first time and you haven't subscribed, please do consider to subscribe and joining the family. We learn here. Yes, so guys, today it's a Tuesday, the 5th, and yeah, as always, I am always busy. Yeah, get December and how busy, guys. I don't even know how to well, I can work under pressure. That one I am good at. I can multitask so well, but it's just so overwhelming sometimes. But yeah, I'm able to handle that. I am good. So I want to go out right now and go to the Locksmith. Well, I am assistant, yeah, our landlord. Pretty much I oversee everything. So I bought a lock for our gate. We lost the one that we had. Somebody stole it, but yeah, I bought another one, and I had to go to this locksmith and go katisa keys for everybody. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the locksmith right now and get the keys. I've done that before. I've done that yesterday, but 6 keys out of 12 were faulty, so I took those other keys that were faulty this morning and I asked him to recut, and yeah, I said I'll come by during lunch. It's 12 o'clock right now. I'm just quickly gonna go and collect those keys and pass by Spar and buy something to eat. So I hope that you're going to enjoy this vlog. Let's go. Let me not ramble for a long time. I don't want my vlogs to be more than 13 minutes because it's Vlogmas, and I'm also participating in Vlogmas, so I would like to keep it on 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah, 25 minutes max. So yeah, comment down below and just actually suggest if you would enjoy this short vlogs, as long as they keep coming. Oh, you know, guys, having long vlogs, it'll actually take me time, like with the editing. I enjoy editing so much, but because I'm going to drop videos twice a week, Mondays and Fridays, like we used to do during Vlogtober, and I'm going to do the shorts as well, because I am also part of the YouTube Made For You program. So I don't want to overwhelm myself with a lot of footages and creating content, and also trying to push some work, and also be a present mom, and also be a girlfriend, of course. If I was married, I was gonna say, and be a wife. But yeah, I don't want to overwhelm myself with creating content, because it is a lot of work, a lot of editing. Yeah, so I'm not gonna do that to myself. I still need to rest as well, because December goes so fast. Next thing, we're coming back to work, and I don't want to come back to work tired. So yeah, guys, let's go. I was wearing this, but then a reflector, so let's go so that I can come and finish my work for the day. I have about, let me see, I have about 22 samples to analyze. So yeah, let's get going, and then we'll come back. I am wearing this bodysuit, blue jeans, and some sandals, and then so yeah, guys, let's get going. Guys, so this is what I'm eating. I ordered a thick pizza base from Rebels. I'm gonna have it with this medium Coke, and then I'm gonna continue working. And yeah, I am going to continue working and just finish up today's to-do list. And yeah, so I will catch you guys later. Hey my loves, so it is later on in the day. I got home. I'm about to lie to you guys. It's 5:45. I got home 4:45. So I've been sitting outside with my friend, my lovely friend Figile, and yeah, we are Sanji, and we didn't have electricity, so we were just chilling outside the ice. Yeah, I got home, I changed. I'm wearing this dress that I got, I think 2017 or 2016 from Truworths. It's just a mini dress. So yeah, I am wearing that, and then right now it's 5:45 and I'm about to cook. I'm craving bap, a chicken, and then kidire chakalaka, and then kidire salsa. I don't know why. Why am I putting myself to that? But because I'm craving it, I'm going to cook it. And another problem that I have is my hot plate. Yini stove ngesingisi, you hot plate yam. Yini stove ngesingisi. Okay. one plate it's messed up. It's a cheesy, and I'm basically using one plate, and I'm gonna take time to finish cooking because I'm using one plate. Yo, such a bummer, but anyway, it's hot, and yo, phone me fast. I hope I'm using the back camera. I hope niyabonakala. Anyway, my bed has my duvet and my, hey baby, hello, hey. my bed has duvet, and I washed my bedding yes, was it yesterday? No, Sunday afternoon I washed my bedding. Yeah, so my bed, if you see the look on the background, guys. Anyway, yeah. Hey baby, come say hi. Come. Itla one is something. Itla one. Itla Mahabo. Itla. Guys, I don't want to go next door. She's like, I think she's 2 years. It. Sugar. Yeah, I think she's 2 years. She's so adorable. Yeah, guys, let me get cooking, and I'm gonna cook with you guys, but I'm just gonna show you what I'm doing. Just a snippet. Not really cook with you guys because firstly it's hot, and I just want to stay outside as I'm busy cooking because it's hot. The minute I turn off the stove, it's going to be a mess. So yeah. Guys, let me get cooking. I'll see you guys later when I'm showing you guys my final plating. And yeah, yo, I haven't seen Mr. L in like, I think in like 8 hours. Yeah, he's busy, really busy at work, and yeah, he always goes to work early and comes back very late. Yeah, I think in Jesafan and Jesong, am I the only one like we getting really busy towards December because everybody wants to push out their work and finish before the festive holidays actually kickstarts. Yeah, so Lynn, I've got a lot of work. I really do understand when he's really busy because I am also busy. By the time I get home, I just want to like lay down, rest, relax. Sometimes I don't even cook. So yeah, okay, I'm rambling. I'm rambling, guys. Let's get cooking.
love. Spiderweb sex must have got caught up. But there's more to it, I remember once saying less on the peons.
Yes. What's up, guys? So I just finished cooking and I'm about to eat. I'm so hungry. This one plate thing, it's really not on. But I just want to show you my food and then I'm gonna dive in and eat. Oopsie. Wait, let me, you see now I'm messing up my plate. Let me actually turn around the camera and then say, guys. Hore dijuang. Here's my food. So I messed up my salsa here because I didn't have yellow and red pepper. I ended up adding acha. That's why it's like this in a mafura. But yeah, and then there's chakalaka and then chicken and then lepap and then I have Sprite to drink. So yes, guys, let me eat. It's 21:13 and as soon as I finished cooking, I quickly went to take a shower and I need to drink my medication. So because I was so hungry, I don't want to eat on an empty I don't want to drink my pills on an empty stomach. So I'm gonna quickly eat and then drink my treatment. If you're watching this and you're living with HIV, please don't make it a norm to to mess up your time. It's not good. Okay, it's not a good idea. But yeah, I'm just late. I'm just a little bit delayed, but I will catch up. So I'm quickly going to eat and then drink my treatment. And yes, I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Nilaren gahle. But I know by the time you watch this, some of you would be watching ilmutsekhar. So, but if you're watching this and it's nighttime, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys. Hey guys, okay, I'm sure this is reflecting and I hope my face is fine. I'm using the back camera for better quality. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it's way later, it's a few days later, but I am here to close off the vlog. I don't like it when other YouTubers just leave us hanging without properly closing the vlog or just saying goodbye. So I'm not gonna do that to you guys. My nails, the ghetto. So I'm not gonna do that to you guys. So I am actually here to close off the vlog and just edit this part of this vlog and then upload it. I hope that you guys enjoyed spending those few days with me. Please like this video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, if you feel like you are enjoying this channel, and please do subscribe and be part of my world and my beautiful family. Please follow me on Instagram, it's @kamogelom, TikTok it's @kamogelom, and Facebook it's @therealkamogelom, or my personal Facebook it's kamogelom Mashego. So yes guys, I'll see you again on the next episode. I love you and I appreciate you so much.
Because I realized I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend.